العربي الأمي الأمين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. All praises due to Allah. Peace and blessings be upon the Messenger Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. I'll be concise today, inshallah, because of dinner. Don't worry. Inshallah, about 15 minutes. Last time we started talking, in fact, about Salah, and we said that the most important pillar in our religion is Salah, after declaring Shahada. And we discussed some rules, no need for repetition. If you have any questions, inshallah, at the end I'll listen to you. Now, inshallah, you know, in these steps, the first step is to make wudu, right? And then you come to the masjid, and then we call for Salah. Calling for Salah, which is called Adhaan. So, if I ask you what the meaning of Adhaan, calling for Salah, right? Announcing to let people come to Salah, right? At its prescribed time. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, إِنَّ الصَّلَاةَ كَانَتْ عَلَى الْمُؤْمِنِينَ كِتَابًا مَوْقُوتًا. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala specified for each Salah a prescribed time. We cannot pray Salat al-Dhuhr at night, for example, right? And we cannot pray Salat al-Maghrib at the morning time. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala specified for each Salah at certain times we should respond to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala command in this regard. So, if I say, what is the virtue of Adhaan? What is the value of Adhaan? Adhaan in our religion is a very important and one of the most important rituals of our religion, of our deen. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives a lot of reward for those who make Adhaan for salawat. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, in some hadith from our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam told that المؤذن or المؤذنون أطول الناس أعناقا يوم القيامة. That Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will let them be above all people. You know, on Yawm al-Qiyamah it will be very congested and very crowdedness, overcrowdedness, right? So that all people will gather at the same place of the Mahshar. Those who make Adhaan in this world, in this life, will be taller than other people. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives them like this space, like this field to have their breath. You know what? Can you imagine? This is one of the most important rewards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives for those who make Adhaan. So now, how can you make Adhaan? What is the way to make Adhaan? In fact, in our religion we have three ways to make Adhaan, but the most popular one that we really do in our salawat, before our salawat at the prescribed time of Adhaan, to say Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Now 4 times. Okay, to say Allahu Akbar 4 times. And you can say in secret the Shahadatayn. Now, as if I am saying it in secret, and then أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله out loud, and to complete as usual. Okay? This is one way to make Adhaan. And the other way to make Adhaan as usual, and don't say these secret Shahada. Just after 4 takbirah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله out loud, and to complete as usual. Okay? And the third way, and it is very rare to say it, is to say Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar just twice. Okay? But let us agree upon this way, inshallah, to say Allahu Akbar 4 times. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, at loud. All Adhaan is at loud. Okay? I think you don't need to complete the Adhaan. Already all of us memorize this Adhaan. Okay? And Iqama, of course, after Adhaan, you know, there are many virtues. Through Adhaan, we can gain a lot of rewards. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam says, إِذَا سَمِعْتُمُ النِّدَاءَ فَقُولُوا مِثْلَ مَا يَقُولُ الْمُؤَذِّنُ. When you hear the calling for Salah, Al-Adhaan, then say exactly as the Mu'adhin says. Exactly as this man, the caller for Salah says. We say to repeat after Mu'adhin. Okay? Simply to repeat after Mu'adhin. When he say Allahu Akbar, you say in secret, Allahu Akbar, and so on and so forth. And when Mu'adhin comes to say Hayya ala salah, don't say Hayya ala salah. It is just for Mu'adhin. Then all of us should say La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. You say that all might and all power and all help is from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the one that gives us this might and this help and this assistance to come to salah and to perform salah. This is the meaning of this sentence, La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. So throughout Adhaan, you say exactly as the Mu'adhin says, Allahu Akbar, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, Ashhadu an all the Adhaan, you repeat after Mu'adhin, and when he comes to say Hayya ala salah or Hayya ala falah, what do you say? La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. That's very good. And after Adhaan, we also have a specific remembrance or a specific dua. Do you memorize it? اللهم رب هذه الدعوة التامة والصلاة القائمة آت محمدا الوسيلة والفضيلة وابعثه مقاما محمودا الذي وعدته. Do you memorize it again? اللهم رب هذه الدعوة التامة والصلاة القائمة آت محمدا الوسيلة والفضيلة وابعثه مقاما محمودا الذي وعدته. It's preferable to memorize this dua in Arabic language. No problem to write it in Arabic language. Okay? Then inshallah it will be much better for you to memorize this dua and all remembrance in Arabic language so that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala choose this language to be the language and the way He subhanahu wa ta'ala sent down the Quran through this language. So now Adhaan, to repeat after Mu'adhin, to say La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah, when he says Hayya ala salat, Hayya ala falah, and to make this dua immediately after Adhaan, and in fact to make it with Salat Sunnah or Tahiyyat al-Masjid or whatever. So the question is, if I enter the Masjid while Adhaan is being called, while Mu'adhin already calling for Salat, now I enter to the Masjid and Mu'adhin already being called for Salah. What should I do? Yes, to wait. It is better for you to wait until Mu'adhin finishes Adhaan, and then to pray Tahiyyat al-Masjid. Why? In order to combine both rewards. When you wait for Mu'adhin till the end of Adhaan, now you have the chance. You have this space of time to repeat after Mu'adhin and to say this dua. Allahumma rabba hadhihi ad-da'wa at-tamma. So now you will gain these rewards for repeating after Mu'adhin and for dua after this Adhaan. But no problem. But if you enter the Masjid while Adhaan is being already called for Salah and Mu'adhin is being giving this Adhaan, you can pray directly, no problem. Okay? Even if Mu'adhin is giving and making Adhaan, you can pray immediately after you enter to the Masjid. But we say it's preferable to wait. Why? In order to combine both rewards. To repeat after Mu'adhin, to say Adhaan, and then to pray Tahiyyat al-Masjid. Is that clear? Okay. Now we'll come to Iqama. Now we take this matter gradually. After Adhaan, after making dua, after Tahiyyat al-Masjid or Sunnah before Salawat, we will come to Iqama. How can we make Iqama? What do you say when you make Iqama? You can make Iqama exactly as you make Adhaan, but to add قَدْ إِقَامَتِ الصَّلَاةُ قَدْ إِقَامَتِ الصَّلَاةُ in its place. How? Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar 4 times. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah twice. Ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah, Ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah twice. Hayya ala salah, Hayya ala salah, Hayya ala falah, Hayya ala falah. Both of them twice. قَدْ إِقَامَتِ الصَّلَاةُ قَدْ إِقَامَتِ الصَّلَاةُ. Then Allahu Akbar, la ilaha illallah. Now we have the choice to make Iqama exactly as Adhaan, but to add قَدْ إِقَامَتِ الصَّلَاةُ قَدْ إِقَامَتِ الصَّلَاةُ after Hayya ala falah. This is one way. The other way, and it is most famous in fact, and we practice it, to say Iqama, Allahu Akbar twice, and then the rest of the Iqama just for one time, except for Iqama al-Salat. Okay? Allahu Akbar twice, Iqama al-Salat twice, and the rest of the Iqama just for one time. Allahu Akbar, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, Ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah, Hayya ala al-Salat, Hayya ala al-Falah, قد قامت الصلاة قد قامت الصلاة الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله. And it is sunnah to make adhan slowly, and when it comes to Iqamah, to make it something quickly. Okay? Because now we already prepared for salawat, so no need to make it slowly. But when you make your adhan slowly, then in fact just you are waiting people to come, you are announcing adhan, and you are giving the persons this chance to repeat after you. Okay? This is for adhan, dua after adhan, and tahiyyatul masjid, and then iqamatu as-salat. Okay, I have a lot of rules here, but okay. It is preferable also for muazzin to make iqamah. The same man who makes adhan, who gives iqamah. But no problem if you let another body to make iqamah. Okay? In this sequence, first, if muazzin is available and is able to make iqamah, so it is preferable for him to make iqamah as he already did adhan. Okay? But it also is allowed for all of us to make iqamah immediately after taking permission from muazzin. This is the point. The usual muazzin for the masjid, the usual muazzin for all salawat, first we start by him. He should make adhan. And if you want to make iqamah, you should ask him for permission before going to make iqamah. Okay? This is for iqamah. And also there are some physical actions when you make iqamah. First, to be like this, to be on tahara, but also is preferable. The meaning is, if muazzin didn't make wudu before adhan, his adhan is right and correct. Okay, focus. It is not like salat. Adhan is not like salat. If muazzin is giving his adhan without making wudu, no problem, his adhan is very good and correct, inshallah. Okay? Again, but it's preferable for him to make wudu, because it is one of the rituals of our religion. This adhan is not a simple thing, but it is very important in our religion. So just to glorify Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when you say Allahu Akbar, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, now we are declaring the shahada, declaring the shahada, the testimony of our faith. So it is preferable for you to make wudu before adhan. But if not, without wudu, inshallah your adhan is correct. And when you come to Hayya ala salat, also there is one opinion says that you turn a little bit towards right with your upper part, like this, Hayya ala salat, and when you say Hayya ala falah, to turn a little bit towards left with your upper part. But if you didn't do that, no problem at all. No problem at all if you make your adhan while facing Qibla without turning to right and left when saying Hayya ala salat and Hayya ala falah. Okay, in fact, if I start shurut al-salawat, it will take a long time. Just if you have any question, inshallah, concerning adhan or iqama or tahiyyatul masjid or something concerning salat, inshallah, I can answer you right now, and next time, inshallah, we'll complete. Is there any question?
The situation that we are here at the masjid, we want to have one to be specific for the adhan.
Yes.
Now, whoever comes there will be the one with the adhan. What is the rule in that?
So you want to specify someone for adhan?
We want to have the one. We want to have, because sometimes I am coming early, sometimes he comes early, sometimes other people come early. That he is full all the time to adhan.
Yes, that's okay. I mean, what do you want? What is the point?
That is
To
okay.
specify someone for Adhaan or to let anybody make Adhaan?
Is it okay to do anybody that come early to do Adhaan?
Okay, no problem. No problem. As we don't have a specified man for Adhaan, we said in Arabic language, al-mu'adhin al-ratib, the man who is specified for this mission or for this work, for this job. If we don't have this man, it is open for anybody who comes to Salah at this specified time, as the time they entered already and the time of Salah started. Anyone inside the masjid can make Adhaan. But just we take it gradually. If the mu'adhin already exists, he should start or he should make this Adhaan. If not, anybody else inshallah can make Adhaan, no problem. Yes?
Can you tell us about the good time to make dua between Iqama and...
MashaAllah, this is a very important question and very good question. Okay, we said after Adhaan, this is a specific remembrance which is Allahumma Rabba hadhihi da'wat tamma, etc. And also this time between Adhaan and Iqama, the Prophet ﷺ told that in this point in time, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala responds for your dua. One of the in Salat al-Fajr every day, if you can remember, we said that there are sometimes Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grants us this ijabah, as we said, for example, after salawat and at the third part of the night and between Adhaan and Iqama. So it's good for you, it's better for you to invest this time between Adhaan and Iqama. Don't talk to your brother, don't be busy with your phone, with internet, for all things. Just to invest this time between Adhaan and Iqama to make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give you whatever you want, inshallah. Jazakallah khair. Yeah. Any question? Yeah.
Sometimes what is the hukum for in some adini, they say the Iqama same as the Adhaan. That's when they say to say Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, Ashhadu anna Muhammad Rasulullah, Hayya ala salati, Hayya ala falah, Qad qamati salatu, Qad qamati salatu, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, la ilaha illallah. This is the Iqama. Some mu'addinin, when they come to the Iqama, they say Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
So you came late. So, okay, you came late. You just entered the masjid? You just entered the masjid right now? Okay, we said it already when we start our session today, that it is open for you, it is allowed you to make Iqama exactly as Adhaan, but to add Iqamat al-Salah in its place, or in the way that you said right now. Both are right, inshallah. No, both are correct.
I went outside.
Okay, Jazakallah khair. See you inshallah next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
4:15 for Asr and 6:20 for Maghrib.
Inshallah, Salat al-Maghrib starting from tomorrow will be 6:20. 6:20, inshallah, Salat from tomorrow, Salat al-Maghrib.